Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today, we learn Easy English. Our topic is shopping for clothes. We follow Cristiano Ronaldo on a normal day. Listen, relax, and enjoy the story.
Good morning. It's a new day. Nice weather today. This t-shirt is old. This jacket is too small. These pants are not comfortable. I don't like my clothes today.
Cristiano wakes up at home. He looks at his clothes. He is not happy with them.
I need new clothes. I want something simple. A jacket, a t-shirt, maybe new pants. Shopping is a good idea.
Cristiano thinks about shopping. He wants new clothes.
Shoes? Okay. Phone, wallet, keys. All good.
Cristiano gets ready. He checks his things before leaving.
Wow, this mall is big. Many people today. I like this place.
Cristiano arrives at the mall. It is busy and full of people.
Jackets here. Shirts there. This store looks nice. Okay, let's go in.
Cristiano looks at different stores. He chooses one.
Hello, welcome.
Hello, thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a jacket.
Cristiano enters the store. He talks to the shop assistant.
What color do you like?
Black, blue, dark colors.
What size?
Large.
Please try this one.
Okay, thank you.
Cristiano talks about color and size. These are important words for shopping.
It feels good. Not too big, not too small. Yes, very comfortable.
Cristiano tries the jacket. He checks comfort and size.
Now I need a t-shirt. This one is soft. Another one. This is too thin.
Cristiano feels the clothes. He wants something simple.
This is too small.
Bigger size?
Yes, please. Large. Much better.
Cristiano changes the size. Too small and too big are useful phrases.
I also need pants.
Casual or formal?
Casual. Comfortable. I like these.
Cristiano chooses pants. Comfort is important for him.
How much is it?
It's on sale today.
Great. I will take it.
Cristiano asks the price. On sale means cheaper.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cristiano pays politely. This is how shopping ends.
New jacket, new t-shirt, new pants. Good shopping today.
Cristiano finishes shopping. Today, you learned easy English about clothes, colors, sizes, and prices. Practice these words every day. See you next time.